Hi everyone. After 4 sessions of talking and getting to know the whole world and the basics of cryptocurrency, blockchain, everything, today I will cover the definition of the cryptocurrency, different types of it, and why it is important. Afterwards, we're going to talk about the advantages and, of course, the disadvantages of it, the role it plays in the global economy. So let's start with the definition of the cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading refers to buying and selling digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of them. It's similar to traditional trading, but instead of trading, buying and selling stocks, here traders buy and sell digital assets on crypto exchanges. There are 2 main types of cryptocurrency trading. First, short-term trading. Second, long-term investing. Short-term trading involves buying and selling the digital assets, the cryptocurrencies, in a really short period of time, like in a matter of minutes, hours, days, weeks. In this method, the traders are using the technical analysis to find the market trends and try to get the trades that they want. Long-term investing, on the other hand, it means trying to hold onto a digital asset or a cryptocurrency for a longer period of time, like months or years even. Long-term investors rely on fundamental analysis, such as market trends, news, and company performance in order to make their decision for their investment. Now let's talk about why cryptocurrency trading is important. Firstly, it allows the investors to diversify their portfolio, and it's a better opportunity than the traditional investment to make your portfolio bigger and gain more profits out of the market. Secondly, it provides a way for people to transact in a decentralized, secure, and transparent manner. And thirdly, it promotes innovation and competition in the financial industry. Now, let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency trading. The good part, advantages. So, high potential for returns, really low fees, the market is open 24/7, and of course, it is decentralized and transparent. It is a really high volatile market and with a lot of risk. There are lack of regulations for it, and there are security risks. And still in the whole world, there is a limited acceptance for the cryptocurrencies as a payment method. So, did you like what I've told you until the moment? If you really like it, please hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, like my video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I would be really happy to answer them. Finally, let's talk about the role of the cryptocurrency in the global economy. Cryptocurrency is still relatively a new phenomenon, but it has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry. Cryptocurrencies also can be used for cross-border payments. In my case, I had several times these situations which I wanted to transfer money from a corner of the world to another. And with the traditional system like the wire bank transfer or SWIFT transfer or any type of other traditional systems, it could take even for 4 or 5 days or even a week, or even in some situations up to 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But in this method with cryptocurrencies, you can make minor transactions or even some big transactions in a couple of minutes with really low fees. And it is, of course, as I told you before, it is really transparent, decentralized, so there is no need for intermediaries. And it's really easy, piece of cake, isn't it? If you haven't checked my previous videos about what is the blockchain and what is the cryptocurrency all about, the history, the fundamentals, please check them out too. I'm going to leave a link here, or I don't know, I can't get used to it, somewhere around here. Please check it out and share that video too, and stick with me. We're gonna have a lot to talk about. Furthermore, cryptocurrency trading can promote financial inclusion by providing access to financial services for people who are unbacked or underbacked. It also allows for greater transparency and accountability in financial transactions.
Artlist.io.
However, the use of cryptocurrencies in the global economy is still in its early stages, and there are several changes that need to be addressed, such as regularity, frameworks, security, and adoption. In conclusion, cryptocurrency trading is yet to grow, and of course it's growing massively, but it can provide you with both opportunities and risk. So it is you who is responsible to do the research for yourself and invest only what you can afford to lose. But why we are really here? We are here to learn how to become a trader in the cryptocurrency world, to get to know these all the opportunities and use as much as we can and risk as less as we can. So trying to minimize, in a simple words, try to minimize our risk as much as possible and try to expand our profits as much as possible, which we call that money management, risk management, which we're gonna talk a lot about, and we have tons of stuff to talk about. These are only the sessions that I'm in front of the camera talking to you, but from the upcoming sessions, we're going to be mostly on the system, on my laptop, on my screen, and I'm going to show you different websites, useful websites, what are the source websites, how can we get the reliable and good information about a new project or the previous projects, and how can we check everything about an asset or several assets. So that's what's going to be in the next session. And I really would be happy to help you guys out. If you have any questions, again, feel free to leave your questions in the comments below. And as I told you in the previous videos, I leave the syllabus and the exact position of our videos within our syllabus in each and every season. Different sections in the description below. Please check it out where we are at exactly. So if you're new to the channel and you are new to the cryptocurrency world and the trading world, of course, you know where we are exactly. If you need to check the previous videos so you know where we are at exactly, or if even you are familiar with this whole subject that we are talking about, you can search just for the subject that you want to know more about, and this is the whole roadmap. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye-bye.